So hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the match cases or the switch cases in Python language. So, what is match cases or switch cases? The match statement is used to perform different actions based on different conditions. Or the match case statement in Python is used when you want to compare one value with the multiple possible patterns. It is similar to switch cases statements like in C++, and Java. In Python, we uh, told it is a match case, and in C++, Java, we can say the switch case statements. I hope in second semester you will learn the C language, then you will same this match statement will be considered as switch case statement. So we move to further the Python match statement. Instead of writing many if-else statements, you can use the match statements. So it is most useful because instead of writing many if else statements, you know that if else if is used when the condition is that if is continuous, it can be used many times and else is the last condition. I will show you the example, but instead of using if else, we will use the match case statements. The match statements selects one of my code blocks to be executed. So I hope you all clear. So this is how it's work. How the match statements work. Here you can see that the match expression is evaluated at only once time. Second point is the value of expression is compared with the value of each cases. Yeah, it is most important. The value of expression is compared with values of each case, each and every case. If there is a match, the associated block of code is executed. So I hope you all clear. Here are the some examples given here. So before going on this example, you can see the syntax here. Match expression means expression name, then case which type of case you want to, then block of code what you have to print here, you have to print here, then this. So let's take one example for you better. This example is best, but I want to clear before going on this is the days of the number in the week. There are 7 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Before going on this, I want to practice one code, especially grow here. Match match.py. We have make a case. Let's take a case here. Like firstly, number, take a number, random number is equal to 2. Then match means match. We have used match statement. Match number, match.py. Wait for a minute. Rename. Number. Something is mistaken. Wait for a minute. Thing is missing here. Like firstly we would they so again we have an example. Number is equal to 2. You can take any number. Then we have a match number. Again, we have to take the cases here. In case first, we will print 1. In the next case, it means 2. We will print it 2. In another case, it means 3. We will print 3. In the last case is written like this. It means print invalid case. Or you can take anything like invalid number. So in this line of code, we have taken a variable name as number and initialized with the value 2. Then we have used the match state case means where we have to match the numbers here. In the next line, we have started the cases. In the first case, it start for print 1 if number is equal to 2, then print 1 number or it will move to the next rest cases. I have told you in the if, elif and else statement cases, it will move one by one or consider the value one by one. Like if it does not follow this condition, it will move to second condition. If it doesn't follow second condition, it will move third condition. If it doesn't follow these three conditions, then it will move to the last condition and last condition then will be printed. So in this case number is equal to 2. So it will search where the number is printing to. In the case 2 you can see here print 2 is there. So here you can see that here 2 is printed here because in the case 2 here its condition is fulfilling. If here number is equal to 5. So guess what will be the output? I am waiting for your response. Kindly DM in the comment box. I am waiting for your response. So I hope you all commented down. So here number is equal to 5. So you can go to the cases. You can see here is 1, 2, 3 and the last statement is invalid number. So here the value is from 1 to 3 only, not the last value. It means 5 is not here, so it will go to the last case and print the invalid number. Here you can see that output is invalid number. Why? Because 5 is not printing here or the case is not given here. That's why it is printing invalid number. So I move to our slide. Let's take one more example. Like this is the example. Like day is equal to 4 match days. These are the days of the week in the month. So let's go to our VS Studio Code. Again, we have to make this. A is equal to 3. Then match case statement is applied here. First case we will apply here. First case will be Monday. Then case second will be applied Tuesday. Then third case will be applied Wednesday. Then the case fourth will be applied Thursday. Case 5 will be applied Friday. Case 6 will be applied Saturday. Case 7 will be applied Sunday. Wait for a minute. Last case is Sunday. And if these 7 cases are not as follows, then the last case will be invalid day. In the previous line of code, we have also make one another case which is an invalid number, in which here is a day, that's why we are printing here invalid day. So here the line of code is given here. So here it is telling that day 3 match the day where the day 3 comes. So first day is Monday, second day is Tuesday, and third day is Wednesday. So here run and execute, the output is Wednesday. Why the output is Wednesday? Because in this line of code here you can see that firstly we have taken name as day and initialized with value 3. Then we have used the match state case means. Then we match the cases where day is 3 become. Then we can see here on Monday first day, Tuesday is the second day, and Wednesday is the third day here. That's why the output is Wednesday. Here you can see the output is Wednesday. Here you can see that the total days are only 7. If we can take the day is 9 here. So what will be the code of, or what will be the output of this question? Kindly DM in the comment box. I am waiting for your response. I have taken here day is equal to 9. So what will be the output here? So I hope you all commented down. The output will be invalid day. Here you can see that the output is invalid day. Why? Because day 9 has not any cases here. Till day 1 from day 1 to day 7 the cases are here and rest of them are the invalid day here. So I hope you all clear this also. So firstly comment it down, then move to our again here. I want to share one two more questions here for your better practice. Let's make a calculator, simple calculator. Let's take this example from here only. Like day is considered as equal to 4, then we have used the match state case means match day, then case 6, case 7 and the invalid cases. So case 6 is print today is Saturday, case 7 is today is Sunday, case means last case is print looking forward to the weekend. You can see here day 4 means Monday, Tuesday, Friday. When Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So it means Thursday is the day 4 here, but here it is starting from the day 6. That's why it is not seeing these statement case 6 or 7. It is going to the last case statement which is print looking forward to the weekend. If you can change is equal to 4 from 6, so the output will be today is Saturday. The output will be today is Saturday. You can see here. If the day you can change from 6 to 7, 6 to 7, you can see the output will be today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Here you can see out in the output. So it is most important to see the switch case statement or match case. If the cases are not as follows, it move to the last statement, which is the looking forward to the weekend, and it will be printed out in the box. Here you can see that looking forward to the weekend. So I hope you all clear. Before going on one two more questions, firstly move to this question. These questions are most important, so mustly kindly be practice more question as possible. So read this question. Which character can be used as default case value in a match statement? I am not taking it out. Uh, Wait for a minute. So the question is, which character can be used as a default case value in a match statement? So I am waiting for your response. Kindly DM in the comment box. I have forget to tell you that I want to tell you that in this lecture. This is the default case. Last case is the default case in the match case. This case is a default case. So I hope that you all get the answer of this question also, because here the question is telling that which character can be used as a default case value in a match statement. So the output is this. I hope you all have commented down. Next question. This is a very interesting question. Most important. Insert the correct keywords to make a match statement correctly. So firstly, day we have initialized with 4, value 4. Then here we have to use the match statement case. Then we have to go here match. Again, then we have to apply the cases because you need that here match day is here. Then we have to apply the cases here like case 6 print this, case 7, print this. So we have to use case here, we have to use case here. In next, here we have to use again case here. You know that because it is a default case. So here we will use the default case. Then we have to print it out in submit answer. Here you can see that output is 110% correct. So now we move to next question. This question, which operator is used as an OR operator in the case evaluation? So I am waiting for your response. I have told you earlier also. Kindly please DM the in the comment box. For the OR operator, the output is this. Here you can see that the all questions are right. So before moving to next topic, let's take one more example for your better clearance in this topic. Let's take one more example. Like let's make an calculator using the matches case statements. Let's take A is equal to 10, B is equal to 5, then use operator is equal to match. When we have to use the match case statement, match operator, we have to use the cases here. First case is for the addition, print. For the addition, we have to add A plus B. In the case second, we have to use the subtraction. So in subtraction, we will take A minus B. In next case, we will use the multiplication. So we will print A multiplied by B. In the next case, we will use the division. Then we have to divide A divided by B. And in the last case means the default case. I have told you earlier also. So must remember this. Print invalid operator. Invalid operator. This is a very basic calculator used by match case statement for making. Here you can see that the output is the output is 50. Here you can see that why the output is 50. You can say that ki A plus B, the output can be 15 also. A minus B means 10 minus 5 means 5 here. Or A multiplication B is 50. But here only getting A multiplication B is 50. If you want to do the addition here, so you go to the operator and change the symbol. If you want to get the addition of these two numbers, you use the plus operator, then the output will be 50. You can see here. If you want to see the division of A and B, use the division symbol. and see the output 2.0. It is giving into the floating point decimal numbers, but the output is 110% correct. If you want to see the multiplication subtraction of your number, you can see here the output is 5. Here you can see that multiplication is given, addition is given, division is given, and the last subtraction is also given. So if you want to change any character or any multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, anything, you can go to operator and change this. Invalid operator, it means you can take any operators like this operator, the output will be very invalid operator, because in operators there are only four type of operator: multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. That's why if you do not give any uh, personal operator here, it will again give the invalid operator. Here you can see that if you take here addition means plus symbol, it will give the output 15 here. Run and execute. Here you can see that. So I hope you all clear in this match case statement, because it is most important. So let's move to the code challenges which is given in this question. So here the question is given: test your understanding of Python match by completing a small coding challenge. It is a small coding challenge for you. Inside the area, complete the following cases. Create a variable name as day with the value 3. It means we have to create a variable name as day and initialize the value with is equal to 3. Then use a match case statement to check the value of the day. So here we have to check the value of the day here. Then add a case 3 that prints Wednesday. It means we have to add a case which is case 3, which gives prints the value Wednesday. Add a wildcard case. It means the default case. The default case is written like case underscore and colon. The case number is not given there. That is the default case. Then prints the other day. So firstly, I want to erase this. We have to create a variable day with the value 3, means day is equal to 3. Then we have to use a match statement. It means match state case means match day here. Then we have to add a case 3 that prints when a day. So case 3, case 3 print Wednesday. Three. Here it will give error because indentation plays a very important role. Then in the last, the default case we have to use here case underscore this print other day. Other day. So check the code. Is it working or not? Add case print Wednesday. The spelling it starts from capital letter and other day O is in the capital letter. Here you can see that. Here you can see that all the boxes are correctly ticked or green. It means here you have the output. You can see that where day is equal to the match day means match state case means at day. The case 3 is telling that print Wednesday. You can note that Monday is the first day, Tuesday is the second day, and Wednesday is the third day. That's why the output is printing Wednesday. If we change the day value is equal to 6 or not going on more than this, you can change it 4 also. The output will be changed, means other day. Here you can see that. Here we have initializes the values. If we have initialized the value other than the given cases, it will give the default case value. Here you can see that the all outputs are correct. So in this video, we will cover this match case statement. In next video, we will come up with next topic. So thank you for the today's session.